Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this video, we're going to talk about level 200 courses overview and how to pass these courses very easily. And these courses are under the Department of Material Engineering. So we are going to look at two courses, which is BSc Material Engineering and BSc Metallurgical Engineering. And with this, we have a department which is the Materials Engineering Department. So this is the courses that we are going to offer in level 200 first semester. And I'm going to give some tips on how to pass this course. So please, if you are new on my channel, kindly check the subscription button and subscribe for more videos. So let's get going. So now this is year 2 first semester. In year 2 first semester, both metallurgical and material engineering, they both have some similar courses that they are offered. So these materials engineering and metallurgical engineering have a same courses that they offer. So I'm going to take the same courses that they offer and a brief about it and how you can pass these courses easily. What resource do you need? What learning materials you need for you to pass these courses. So now, the first course you're going to do is CNG 291, Engineering Society. The second one is MSc 251, Momentum Transport. The third one is MSc 253, Mechanical Behavior of Materials. The fourth one is MSc 255, Properties of Materials Engineering or Engineering Materials. And MSc 257, Indigenous Processes. And Math 251, Differential Equation. As you can see from here, you can see that the codes use MSc. So if you are doing a course in materials engineering, metallurgical engineering, you have this code MSc. It means that these courses are offered both for materials engineering and metallurgical engineering. So let's take the course one by one. So we are going to CNG is Engineering Society, and the credit hour is 2 credit hours. So you're supposed to do a project in the house, and then you come back to school, then you do the 50%. So there's a website that can help you pass the engine, which is quizzes. So check the description of this video. There's a video on website that's the best website for students. Check that video and watch, and you see that was the website that will help you pass the CNG very easily. Now, the lecturer who's going to take you this is all lecturers in the Department of Material Engineering. So you're going to have all these lecturers. And one thing that you should know that don't be late for this course. Dress properly for this course. Yes, that's what I will tell you. Never be late for this course. Dress properly for this course because you don't know which lecturer you are going to face. But before you go for lectures, they are going to inform you the lecturer who is coming. But first, you can get Dr. Mrs. Yondan, or you can get Dr. Engineering Mama Benita, yeah, or Dr. Matterson, or Dr. F.O. Ajiman, or Dr. Jikunu, or Prof. Ajaoto. All these lecturers will come and teach you. They have a specific topic that they take for each of them, and they will explain it to you. And then at the end, you write an exam, which is MCQ. I don't know, for your 10, it can be MCQ or written, which is 50 marks, added to your project work, which is 50 marks, and give you a score of 100%. And note this, with this course, there's no mid-sem. You're not going to write mid-sem for this course. Yes, there's no mid-sem for this course. So let's move on to the next course, which is Momentum Transport. So with Momentum Transport, the credit hour is 2 credit hours, and with this course, the lecturer who's going to take you through is Prof. Ajaoto. Yeah, with Prof. Ajaoto, what he dislike is you being unfaithful, that is signing in for someone who was not present for class. Yes, so you must make sure that you are very disciplined and also ready for the course. Now, there are some learning materials I urge you to download, which is Dr. Kuma on fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is the same as momentum transport. Yeah, so there's a course on that. There's a book on that online. You can go to PDF Drive. As I said, check the description of this video. Their website, best website for students, which can help you get all these resources very easily. Yes. Now, the credit hour is 2 credit hours, and with this course, please, when starting this course, sometimes it's very difficult to understand. But bet me, you will surely understand for this course. I thought when we started this course, I was very discouraged. I thought I'll get an F, but luckily I had a B very easily like that. Yes, so this course is very interesting. Please make sure you start when you start from the scratch. The understanding is the key. Make sure you understand from the scratch. So make sure you must be present for the first lecture for this course, which is Momentum Transport MSc 251. Now, the next course we're going to talk about is mechanical behavior of materials. And with this course, well, it's more demanding, yes, and more assignment. You're going to do a lot of assignments. That one I bet you. So the credit hour is 3, but with metallurgical, when registering for this course, to be written 2, but final exams, when the results come, is 3. So make sure you know the credit hour for this course. It is 3 credit hours. 3 credit hours. And it's taken by Dr. Jikunu. Dr. Jakes. I don't know whether he will change, but it's Dr. Jakes who takes this course. It can change, but I don't know. But with Dr. Jakes, the rule for Dr. Jakes is that you shouldn't use phone in class, and also you should be punctual and regular for class. Quizzes, unannounced quiz, it's sometimes announced, sometimes unannounced, and it's all from the slides. So make sure that the slide they give you, you must read the slides before you go for next lecture, because the questions will be taken from your slides. Yes, and with this, the learning resource is Calesta, and check the description of this video, and I'll give you the books that you need to download. Yes, so you have the Calesta. Yeah, Calesta is one of the best ones, because, and also a little bit Calesta. Yeah, in the engineering science, Calesta, but I prefer Calesta because most of the solved example that the lecturer will give you is from Calesta. Sometimes it's not the same question, but it's similar. So you can look on how they've done it, and also you do it the same. So that is it. Please don't use phone in Dr. Jikunu's class. I beg you. Now, the next course we're going to talk about is the properties of material, or property of engineering materials. And this course is a 3 credit hour course. And this course is one of the interesting courses I love, because it's going to take all the properties of material. That's it. You go to the light, you go to magnetic property, electrical property, thermal property, all the properties of materials. And with this, you're going to brief through it, and it's very interesting. It's very interesting, very interesting. And this course is taken by Dr. Martinson. Dr. Martinson is, if it's the same lecturer who's going to take you, he's a cool lecturer, one of the best lecturer. I love Dr. Martinson. Yes, lucky for me, with this course I had an A. This course I also had an A because of what I did. So Dr. Martinson is someone who loves truth. So do not sign for someone. Go for class early. An unannounced quiz. You do a quiz. Don't worry. With all these courses, quizzes will be announced, like unannounced. You do a quiz. Sometimes you announce, sometimes unannounced. And the learning resource for this course is Calesta. As I said, Calesta is like our diary, our dictionary, our Bible as material engineering student. Yes, Calesta. So you can go to PDF drive and download Calesta from there. We also have the Calesta solution. So you download the Calesta and the Calesta solution, and you'll be good with that. Let's get to the next course. Indigenous processes. With this, the credit hour is 1. Yeah, you ask 1, but it's more demanding. So with this course, it's 2 parts. We have the clay part and the metal part. And these courses are taken by different lecturers, right? And with this course, you're not going to write mid-sem on this course. It means that with year 2, there are 2 courses that you're going to write mid-sem, which is the CNG and the indigenous processes. So with a lecturer, well, there are 2 lecturers that are going to take you differently. So I don't know. That's why I brought a question mark. So the lecturers are very different. Which one will take you for metal and one will take you for clay. And though there will be no mid-sem, but you're going to write a hot quiz early in the morning, which will serve as a mid-sem mark. The quiz is like an exam form, so you write it a week before the mid-sem. So you are supposed to go there by 7, write it a week before 7, then that will be your mid-sem. That one too, I think I had an A, yeah, 89 or something. Yes. Yes, so it's not though it's demanded, but it's very easily to pass, right? Yeah, and please go for the practical. The practical is at commercial area. Yes, close to the Faculty of Law, the practical section, right? The clay is close to the student clinic and the metal is close to the faculty of law. You should note that. Now, that is the last course, Mark 251. With differential equation, hmm, it's one of the nicest course you do. Yes, but the credit hour is four credit hours. So and it's taken by the lecturer is unknown because that's why I brought question mark. It varies. They don't know. Ours might be very different from yours and like that. Yes, the exams you're going to write, both the midterm and the main exams, are going to be a computer-based exams. And when you talk about computer-based exams, you already know computer-based exams. You're going to write it on a computer form. And with this, we have something called a fill-in and also the multiple choice. Please, one thing I want you to know about this differential equation is when it comes to the fill-in, please check the decimal places because it's a computer based. It's programmed for the computer to mark in that decimal places. So when you solve for a question, you must check the decimal place of the question you're asking. It can be two decimal places, sometimes one decimal place. So you must be very vigilant because this thing I didn't pay attention to, and yeah, it hurts me so much. So please pay attention. And the learning resource I'll give you is with differential equation. I have done a video on differential equation, so check the description of this video for the videos. And also, if you want to read more, I have one website that is the best 5 websites. Check the description of the video and watch the video. And there's a website for you for differential equation. And with this, it's going to make you boom pass this differential equation. And one thing I'll tell you about differential equation is that please, if the lecturer is teaching you theory, now we have some applications in differential equation. We have like the half-life, the Newton's law of cooling, all those things. Please learn how to solve them practically. For example, the half-life, how to calculate for half-life, because in exams they are going to bring the practical part. Though they've taught you, and even with the applications, that's the application. They are not going to. The lecturer is not going to be more specific on the application, but in the exams, it's going to bring a lot of applications. So learn how to, whilst you are doing it, when the lecturer introduces you to the applications of the differential equations, you need to know how you can solve each of the applications, right? Yes, you must make your own research and solve how is sometimes population to that kind of thing. So you need to know these practicals, right? Learn them, the application, how to solve for them, because in exams they're going to bring application questions. Yes. So thank you very much for watching this video. This is a short overview of year 2 first semester under the Department of Material Engineering. My name is Prof. 1YT, and kindly give me a subscription to this video. Bye.